Are HVAC technicians in high demand? You may be surprised by the answer. With the constant need for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services, there's a significant call for skilled technicians in the job market. Let's dive into the facts and figures to better understand this demand. In the United States alone, the demand for HVAC technicians is projected to grow by 13% from 2018 to 2028, much faster than the average for all occupations. This growth rate is truly staggering, outpacing other fields by a significant margin. HVAC services are a constant need, unaffected by season or economy. Furthermore, as technology advances, the HVAC industry is evolving, requiring a new wave of tech-savvy technicians. So, it's clear that the demand for HVAC technicians is not just high, but growing. The future for HVAC technicians looks bright. With an ever-present need for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services, job security is almost guaranteed. There's also ample room for career growth. In conclusion, HVAC technicians are indeed in high demand, and this trend is expected to continue.